Okay, so this is called a cheeseburger pizza. It's an Amish recipe. We're gonna try it out. I have made the pizza dough. The sauce has like mustard, ketchup, and barbecue sauce. It's supposed to have chopped pickles, but my husband wasn't able to get pickles at the store. We forgot. And I have some shredded cheese on top, cheddar cheese, and then I seasoned the organic grass-fed beef there and sauteed some onions there. So we'll see how this turns out. Mashallah, I'm excited. Okay, so the pizza is done. I decided to add some mozzarella last minute. I thought having cheddar on there is good, but I want to have a little bit of mozzarella. The recipe didn't say only use this cheese or only that one, so I took an initiative since this is my first time making it. I'm gonna let this cool down and slice into it and let you know how it is. Okay, wanted you to see the crust, kind of what it looks like. Mashallah. Okay, so I like the flavor of the sauce. The crust is great. I think it would have been even better if I was able to put the minced dill pickles on top, because then it would have felt more like a cheeseburger pizza. I think next time I might try a variation of putting mayonnaise, dill pickles, mustard, ground beef, and cheddar cheese, and then seeing how that comes out as a hamburger pizza, like a cheeseburger pizza. So hopefully you'll like this recipe too. I'll put it in the description box on the Veritarian Times app and on Instagram if you like this recipe and I inspire you to cook more. You can go on and join the blog at www.subscribestar.com/Milahan Archive. Hope to see you there.